Hi everyone, it's been a little while, but I have some great new products to show you in this video, and stay tuned, there will be some swatch videos coming up at the end of the year. It is finally fall, so I'm excited to jump into these new products. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. You can also go follow on Instagram. Let's jump right in. All the products will be linked in the description box below for you to see if you are interested in checking them out. Makeup first, I think I have one item. This is the new Nomad Cosmetics palette, Hudson Valley. Look at these beautiful fall colors. You got your mattes, you got your shimmers, and always embossed with cute and creative designs. Staying on the fall theme, we have Zoya's new fall collection. This is the classic leathers. So all cream finishes, and you've got that very kind of dark fall themed palette. As the months get colder, body care and kind of self-care are more prominent, at least for me. So I have some body care products that I have been really liking. Necessaire, love their sort of body care products. They also have ventured into hair care. So I've been trying the new the shampoo and the conditioner, fragrance-free. It almost seems like it's too simple, but these are beautifully elegant products. The shampoo gives you a little bit of suds and is very effective while also being very gentle. The conditioner has you may not be used to the texture when you first use it. It almost feels like a lotion, and you're going to be surprised how moisturizing it is on the strands. So I have been really enjoying these. They also have hair care items that they've had for a little while longer. The Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus HA. This is more for nourishing the scalp. And then the one I think that's been around probably the longest is the Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density. I personally have not noticed any increase in density in the hair. Lots of other people comment that they have seen it, so I guess it's just personal experience. I did do a full review video on this long time ago, more when it first came out, if you want to go check that out. Josie Maran sent along a nice selection of their body care products. It's not a brand that I've used their body care items as much. I'm more familiar with their more makeup type products, but I have been loving their body care products. I did try to focus on a little more fragrance-free items, but for example, this is an unscented, it's called Skin Dope Ultra Nourishing Daily Body Wash. It has argan oil and hemp seed oil. It has omega-3s, 6, 9s, just feels great on the skin, especially in the wintertime if you're particularly dry and your skin is sensitive. This is a perfect kind of product. I love that it comes with a pump too. It's a soft plastic squeeze bottle but has the look of that tinted glass. And if you're not familiar, Josie Maran has a very strong focus on argan oil based products. So they have the whipped argan oil face butter. It says ultra hydrating, and you might be afraid that this is going to be super thick and heavy. It's not. They have managed to make it a very lightweight texture that sinks into the skin, but also is super nourishing, a lot more than just a normal gel product would be. This is the Divine Drip Argan Oil and Honey Sleeping Nectar. Now this one has a more of a almost balmy texture, so I use this more at night as opposed to this product where I would use any time of day or night. And this has shimmer in it, so that's also why I would keep it to the nighttime. So this is a more thick, nourishing version. They've got sunscreen for the body. This is the Whipped Argan Oil SPF 45 Body Butter Ultra Hydrating. So this is a mineral-based sunscreen. Fantastic for continuing to protect your skin even in the winter and fall months. You need to continue wearing your sunscreen. And finally, this product. This is the Argan Apothecary Intensive Daily Repair Body Butter. Again, with argan oil, but also with colloidal oatmeal. Fantastic for colder months, or if you have eczema or sensitive, irritated skin. This is a glass jar. It's very heavy, so not a travel item, but fantastic for keeping by your bed or after the shower to really moisturize the skin. And it is a thick daddy. You can probably tell on the screen how thick it is, but nevertheless, it's not greasy. It doesn't feel unpleasant on the skin. Speaking of self-care, this is a kit by Patchology. They have included in this kit, it's the Best in Snow kit. They have a hand mask and a foot mask. You can also purchase these masks separately if you're only interested in one or the other, but this is a really nice gift idea or stocking stuffer, so you can see. And they look like foil on the outside almost, but it's very easy to wear. You can wear them for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and you can still do things around the house. So in the morning, if you want to make your coffee or before bedtime, these are fantastic for giving you super quick ultra hydration for your hands and your feet. Again, perfect for those colder months when you get cracked heels or cracked hands. And the ingredients that are kind of driving that hydration include glycerin, there's shea butter, there's coconut oil. There is also fragrance at the very end of the ingredients list. Since it's a temporary thing, that doesn't bother me as much. Speaking of ultra hydration, but for the hair, this is a new brand to me and a new product. Adwoa, I hope I'm pronouncing that somewhat correctly. This is the Bao Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment. It's got baobab, wintergreen, spearmint, and peppermint oils. So if you have dry hair, especially with my kind of bleached hair, it's very damaged. So I've been doing a lot more hair masks than I typically do in my hair care routine. And interestingly, this has more of a, I expected it to be very pepperminty. It's not that pepperminty. It's actually more of a almost sweeter forward scent to it. Typically I don't like sweet scents. This I am not bothered by at all. I think it's a lovely scent to this. So if you were just afraid of it being too kind of like that spicy wintergreeny scent, it's not that way at all. And this product is vegan and cruelty-free, so you've got a lot of those nourishing typical ingredients you'd expect, like shea butter, coconut oil, but you also have that baobab oil in here, as well as the scented ingredients. I have a Rituals product from you. They are kind of a bath and candle company. I love them. They reign supreme in terms of the amazing scents that they have for their products. And I've used body lotions from them, body washes. This is a line of candles that they have. Different scents are available to you, but this is the Ritual Jing. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly either. This is a relaxed candle, and everything, even from the packaging to, of course, the product itself. These are 100% natural wax candles, glass packaging, glass jar, beautiful deep jade green color. Each candle with the different scents has its own color. It's really hard to describe scents, but everything I've ever smelled from Rituals has been incredible, very luxurious, not fake smelling scents. And I cannot wait to put this on my living room table and burn it. Whether you're buying these for yourself or they make fantastic, more luxurious presents, especially for the holiday seasons, definitely check out this brand. I believe they are actually available at Sephora also if you want to purchase it through Sephora, although I don't know if they would have the candle line there, but like I said, I'll put the information in the description box below. And last thing is not a new thing, but it fell off my routine for a little while, and the last maybe month and a half, I have been getting back into using it regularly. This is my LED mask set from CurrentBody, and this not only has a face, but also a neck and décolletage piece. This is fantastic. You have a ton of, this is red LED lights on here, and you have a strap to connect this. I think it's a 10 or 15 minute process, but it is a fantastic boost to your skincare routine. It's not going to replace your skincare, so you have to have that strong base, but it really gives you that extra oomph that you cannot really get through just applying things topically to your skin. I do this in the morning. What I do is I cleanse my skin, and then I put my vitamin C product on to really give these masks a boost. And then after I'm done, I go on with the rest of my skincare routine. So if you want to make an investment that is absolutely worth it, you should check out the masks from CurrentBody. And if you just want to get one, then you can do that too. But I think this set is definitely worth it, especially during the summer months when we have this area really exposed to sunlight. Okay, those are the things that are new and that I've really been liking for the past month or so. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for upcoming swatch videos for new drugstore products, and I'll see you soon.